In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma to Roblox plugin. We'll start in Figma. Open the Plugins menu and choose Browse Plugins. In the search bar, type Roblox UI Export or Figma to Roblox. Install one that fits your workflow. Different creators package them a bit differently, but the goal is the same, to help you get your UI assets and, in some cases, layout data out of Figma quickly and cleanly. Next, design your interface in Figma just like you normally would. Build your buttons, menus, and HUD elements inside frames, using one frame per screen or panel. Keep sizes consistent because Roblox interfaces rely on scale and offset for sizing and positioning. Simpler layering is better here. Overly complex effects don't always translate well when you move into Roblox Studio. Before you export, prepare your file. Flatten layers where necessary so effects bake into the artwork, and stick to PNG-friendly elements such as solid shapes, gradients, and basic shadows. Give layers clear names like play button or header. Good naming now makes it much easier to map images to the right UI objects in Studio later. When you're ready to export, you have two paths. Manually select each element you need, go to the Export panel and choose PNG. Export the assets you'll place in Roblox. If you installed a plugin, you can run it to export in bulk, which is a real time saver when you're handling full screens or kits. Either way, keep transparency where needed so your images sit cleanly on top of backgrounds in Studio. Now switch to Roblox Studio. In the Explorer, open Starter Guide and insert a screen guide to hold your interface. Inside that, create frames for structure and add image labels or image buttons for the artwork you exported from Figma. Go to Asset Manager, open images, and upload your PNGs. Once they're processed, each image will have an asset ID. Copy those IDs. You'll use them to hook up your UI pieces. Apply the images by selecting an image label or image button and pasting the asset ID into its image property. Your Figma graphics should appear immediately in the viewport. Rebuild the layout so it behaves well on different screens. Favor scale over offset for responsive sizing, then tune position, size, and anchor point to match your design. Think of Figma as the visual blueprint and Roblox as the place you finalize functional layout. To finish, add interactivity if you need it. Create scripts for buttons, add hover or click feedback, and connect your UI to gameplay logic. That's the full path from Figma to Roblox using a plugin-backed workflow.